Hello everyone, this is Lavanya. I am currently pursuing MCA in Department of Computer Science, Mansa Gangotri, University of Mysuru. This is the video I am going to present about the artificial intelligence on face detection based on Python machine learning. First of all, what is Python? Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Main uses of Python: server-side web development, software development, system scripting, and machine learning. Next, let us move on to introduction. In this report, we focus on image-based face recognition. Given a picture taken from a digital camera, we would like to know if there is any person inside, where his or her face locates at, and who he or she is. Towards the goal, we generally separate the face recognition procedure into three steps, that is, face detection, feature extraction, and face recognition. Configuration of the general face recognition structure is shown above. In this structure, let us consider a random person's image where the image face is detected, and the face is feature extracted by the code, and this face is recognized, and the verification and identification is given to us. Next, objectives. As the need of larger amount of security rises, innovation will be undoubtedly swell to satisfy these necessities. Any new growth, endeavor, or advertisement ought to be uncompleted and satisfactory for the end client, with the end goal to separate around the world. This solid interest for easy to use framework which can anchor or advantages and ensure our security without losing our character in an ocean of number, caught the eye of the investigators and researchers towards what called biometrics. Biometric comfort, acknowledgement, and called automatic face recognition in an especially appealing biometric approach, since it creates around a similar identifier that people utilize basically to recognize one individual from another by their faces. Face acknowledgement issue can be partitioned into two fundamental stages, that comfort check, that is confirmation, and face distinguishing proof, that is acknowledgement. This recognition organization is the principal arrange in corporate organizing and finding the face in the picture. Background: the face acknowledgement issue can be participated into or partitioned into two fundamental stages, that is comfort check, that is confirmation, and face distinguished proof, that is acknowledgement. In this section, we shall implement face recognition using OpenCV and Python. First, let us see the libraries we will need to and how to install them. We need OpenCV, DLLib, face recognition. OpenCV is an image and video processing library and is used for image and video analysis like facial detection, license plate reading, photo editing, advanced robotic vision, optical character recognition, and a lot more. The DELLAB library, maintained by Davis King, contains our implementation of deep metric learning, which is used to contract our face embeddings used for an actual recognition process. Next, let us see hardware requirements. Hardware requirements are hardware tools and minimum requirement of the hardware. We need processor, that is i3 or above, hardware, that is 10 GB, RAM 8 GB, and keyboard is 122 keys. Software requirements. Software tool requirements and minimum software tool requirements. Platforms are Windows, Linux, or Mac operating system. Operating system are Mac operating system, Windows, Linux, or Mac operating system. Technology are machine learning Python. Scripting language is Python, and IDE is PyCharm. future scope. In my opinion, this piece of program can be developed more and with a lower tolerance value and a good GPU. The program can be used to find any face in an image with a high accurate result and faster processing speed. This piece of code can be used in crime investigation to find the face of any culprit in any kind of image. This program will help many people in various ways and it will also save time and money. Next, conclusion. The computational model which were implemented in this project were chosen after extensive research and the successful testing result confirmed that the choices made by the researcher were reliable. This system with manual face detection and automatic face recognition did not have a recognition accuracy over 90% due to limited number of eigenfaces which were used for PCA transform. This system was tested under a very robust condition in this experimental study and it is the real world performance will be for more accurate. The fully automated frontal view, the face detection system displayed virtual profit accuracy and in the researcher opinion the further work need not to be conducted in this area. The real-time automated pose invariant face detection and recognition system proposed in the chapter 7 would be idle and covered surveillance application. If such a system were widely implemented, the potential for losing the tracking suspects for law enforcement agencies is immense. Next, let us see the video.
So there are two codes in this project. The first one is for image, and this is the code for image. When we before initially we have saved an image, so you can see the code images m read image.jpg. So before only we have saved the image. When we run this code, the faces in the image will be detected. So you can see the output. So the faces is being detected with the blue rectangular boxes. And the next one is video 1. This is the code for video 1. When you run this code, the face will be detected in the video. So you can see the face detected in the video with a blue rectangular box. Thank you.
Reference and bibliography are I have taken the references from these. Then thank you.